How to make money using Instagram Reels. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I am going to be showing you how you can make money using Instagram Reels. So let's get started. If you do not have any idea about Instagram Reels, well, Instagram Reels is a short video sharing platform where you can share your videos from 15 to 60 seconds. It is just like TikTok and Snapchat Spotlight and YouTube Shorts as well. So Instagram was like everybody is, allowing people to share their short videos. Why not me? So now you can also share your short videos on Instagram. You can share any video you want to in any niche. You can share educational videos. You can share fashion videos, cooking videos, dancing videos, whatever video you want to share. And we most of the time share videos for just our fun and to just share it with our friends, but we can also make money with Instagram Reels. So I will tell you all about it and what are different ways we can actually use our Instagram Reels to make money. So the first step is going to be, of course, signing up for your Instagram. If you do not have any Instagram, and I actually doubt that because everybody has Instagram, so if you already have Instagram, then it's good. You can just simply go ahead and create your reels. We get the reels option on Instagram, and then if you do not have Instagram, then you can simply sign up with your Google account, your email address, and set up a password. It's a social media platform. You can also share your photos and videos. So when it comes to Instagram Reels, the first way you can make money is going to be its own a platform. The platform itself has its own fund, and that is helping people to make money. So Instagram has recently introduced their Instagram a Reels fund that will actually help people to make money. So you submit your videos, and if your video is good, and if that video stands out, and if it kind of like attracts the audience, and it if wins, then you can actually make money through that. The fund actually has millions of dollars in it, and you will be able to, of course, make money with that. The next way you can make money with Instagram Reels is going to be, promotions. Because what happens is when you are a famous influencer, you are famous on Instagram and you create different Reels, then you will be able to, of course, get more and more promotions, and those promotions actually pay you thousands of dollars. You promote different products. People actually ask you to promote their products, such as their different beauty products or makeup, any sport product, whatever niche you are in. You can simply go ahead and you can promote. So the promotion helps you make money. The next way you can make money with Instagram Reels is going to be through affiliate marketing. Well, this is one of the ways you not directly make money with Reels, but Reels help you make money. So what happens is you can actually start affiliate marketing. You can go to any other affiliate marketing program. You can go to any other affiliate marketing platform, and that platform helps you make money. You simply get your product. You start with affiliate marketing, and we know in affiliate marketing the important step is promoting your product. So if you are not that famous on Instagram and you kind of like want to make money with affiliate marketing as well, and if you do affiliate marketing already, then you can use Instagram Reels as one of your ways to promote your links. You can promote your affiliate marketing links on your Instagram Reels, and then it will help you earn your commission. All the Instagram has a lot of audience now. There are billions of users using Instagram daily. So they will check out your affiliate link, they will click on it, and you can simply make money. You can earn your commission with the help of Instagram Reels. The next way you can make money with Instagram Reels is going to be promoting your own product. So you can actually create any small business. You can create any product, such as you can create your own print on demand business, and then you can use Instagram Reels for your own promotion, and you can also use it to kind of like promote your product. You can simply add your product or use your product in your Instagram Reels. Then you can simply sell your product product, it is one of the ways in which you are not directly making money with Instagram Reels, but Instagram Reels is actually helping you to make money. You can sell your product. If you already have a small business, then I think you should definitely go ahead and check out Instagram Reels. Right now, create Instagram Reels like you do TikTok, and then you can create these Reels, and you can add the link for your store in the description. You can add a product, you can add different tags that will help you promote your product on Instagram Reels, and you will be able to make money. The next way you can make money with Instagram Reels is going to be through collaboration. When it comes to Instagram influencers, we see collaborations all the time. So you can do collaborations with other artists that will help you bring the audience, and you can also do paid collaboration. If you are a little famous than the other artists, then you can actually do a paid collaboration with different artists or different platforms or different brands. Especially, you also get free clothes and free stuff, and you also get paid to do the collaboration. So you can simply make money. You can make thousands of dollars with paid collaboration on Instagram Reels. So now actually let me take you to the creator studio of Instagram that actually helps you and kind of like guides you how to make money with Instagram and using Instagram Reels. So what happens is you can actually make money by going live as well. So when you create Instagram Reels, you get famous. And then when you get famous, you have the audience, you can actually go live and you can make money on live. People can actually, fans and your fans can actually share and donate money, and you can also run ads in your Instagram Reels or during your live. So that actually helps you make money. You can actually make hundreds to thousands of dollars with Instagram Reels, and by going live and running ads as well. When it comes to Instagram itself, when it comes to Meta, because Meta introduced a fund recently, and they are actually paying up to $35,000 to creators for uploading on Instagram Reels and for uploading on Instagram. So you can see right here, we also get the earn money option on creators of Instagram. You can see right here, we have branded content, we have badges, we have Instagram in live videos, shopping, and affiliate. This is what I was talking about. We can do affiliate marketing on Instagram. If you do not have any idea, let me quickly, tell you about it. So, affiliate marketing simply means we go to a global affiliate marketplace, and then we simply select a product, and there are different, programs and different product. Each product has its own commission. For example, a sale you would make, or maybe you can also go with CPA marketing, in which we are paid for cost per action. Like if somebody will click on your link, you will be paid for that. Or if you make a sale, then you simply earn your commission, and the commission is up to thousands of dollars. So we can actually go to Instagram, and we can add these links, the links we get for our affiliate products. We can add it to our Instagram Reel description, or we can make a review video and then simply make money. So yeah guys, this brings us to the end of the video. I hope that I was a big help to you, and now you know how to make money with Instagram Reels. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to the YouTube channel.